Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Youth to the People minis kit. So what it is a superfood powered routine of 5 Youth to the People favorites to reset your complexion and keep skin balanced with a healthy glow. Skin types that it's good for: normal, dry, combination, and oily. I would describe my skin type as combination, sometimes dry. I guess my T-zone gets oily, but that's not excessively. Skincare concerns are fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, and dullness. Also uneven texture. I guess I suffer from dryness, sometimes dullness, and uneven texture. Uneven texture would be why I got into a skincare routine. Well, a clean skincare routine. I thought I had whiteheads all this time, and I found out from Hiram, love Hiram, that I have, like, I guess, sebaceous filaments. My skin is textured. It is very textured, but I wouldn't say I have terrible skin. Never had acne or anything like that. I just wanted to try something new. So what I'll do is I'll review each of the 5 products. I'll say what Sephora says that they're for and how I feel about them. I guess this is an introduction about the kit again. So this kit works in harmony with your skin to purify, hydrate, and visibly brighten. Each product is compatible with all skin types, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. All of Youth to the People's products are free of parabens, sulfates, phthalates, PGs, mineral oils, silicones, and synthetic dyes. Start hair daily for healthy looking skin. Okay, so the Superfood Cleanser is loaded with cold pressed superfood extracts from kale and spinach to effectively cleanse skin, remove buildup in pores, and balance pH without drying. Kale, it's a kale and green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser, and it was a 1 ounce bottle. So I live in the Bahamas and it is hot 95% of the time. It is also humid, so I don't know. I really like this cleanser. At first I thought it was drying, but I guess my skin got used to it. I don't know, I used it all. It lasted 3 months, 2 months. Like I say, at first I thought it was a bit drying. I thought I felt dryness, like I get dry patches here occasionally. I don't know, when I do a makeup video you'll see it. I still get them sometimes. Maybe it's just textured skin again, or wrinkles or whatever. But I thought I felt dryness here, on the nose, you know, but that eventually went away. And then sometimes I admit I do take long to put on moisturizer after I wash my face. It's just I get distracted so easily. So yeah, that may have been my fault, but I felt like the cleanser did a good job of taking off makeup. I used it after a balm. I did one of the balms from Lush. I used it as my second cleanse. I've also double cleansed with it. I feel like it cleans my skin well, and now without drying. At first I think it was a little too drying, but once I put the moisturizer on, it was good. I would repurchase this. I actually was going to, but then I decided to try. I was kind of looking at this and the Crave around the same time. So now that this is done, I purchased the Crave, so I'll do a review on that after. The matcha hemp gel cleanser. Yeah, I'm excited for that, but I would repurchase this. I think the 8 ounce is $36 on Sephora. I hope that's right. Next, maybe I should have did my likes and dislikes. So we'll go with the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. So the Superfood Moisture Creams is supposed to restore the Superfood Moisture Cream restores, balances, and conditions skin. So it's called the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. When they say Air Whip, they mean Air Whip. This was, it was light. And I actually thought I would have liked this more than the next moisturizer because of where I live. Like I said, if it is November, let's see what the humidity percent, it is 60, there's 63% humidity right now. This was not enough moisture for me in a humid climate, so maybe my skin is more dry than I thought, but yeah, I liked it. I don't think I would repurchase. Like if I got a sample, I would use it. I used all. It was good, but it was nothing special. And then for the price, no. I think this is $48 on Sephora for the 2 ounce. No. No. It smells good. It's light. I guess, you know, like sometimes at night if I had just had like a late shower in the afternoon, I just like want to refresh my face before bed, I'd spray toner on, wipe, and then I guess this would be a light moisturizer because I wouldn't want to put on too many products if I didn't actually clean my face. I guess I wouldn't repurchase this right now, but I didn't hate it. I just didn't like it. The Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream helps to combat free radicals, fight fatigue, and moisturize depleted skin. I loved this. Loved. Really loved this. So based on the reviews that I read, I thought this would be too heavy for me. A lot of people were saying that they would use it in cooler months and as a winter cream, but like I say, I live in the Bahamas and I found nothing wrong with it. I actually really love this. I would repurchase this. It smells, I guess, earthy. It smells good, but not like in a false scent kind of way. Doesn't smell bad, but the consistency, it was definitely a heavier cream. I don't know, I might have to do my research on this, but I would put this on and like my skin would just feel so good after. Like I wonder if this fights like inflammation. Like I said, I don't really get acne or have a breakout problem, but if I feel like I see like a little something here and I put this on, like I think it deals with it. I don't know. I would repurchase this. I think it's a good moisturizer and never left my face oily or greasy. It would absorb properly. no residue. No, I actually have no complaints about this. I would, this, yeah, me like. So, what is this described as? The Super Berry oil is ultra enriched and flash absorbing to intensely hydrate skin and lock in moisture without weighing it down. This is what? Maki and Acai Prickly Pear Goji Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. As you can see, I still have a lot left. And I don't know how I feel about it. I didn't hate it, but I don't know if I would repurchase it. I'm actually gonna put some on now because my face feels a little dry, so you can see. I feel like it's supposed to give you a glow, which it does, but my skin glows on its own. I'm sure it was glowing just now when it felt dry. And it does absorb quickly, but I don't know to say my skin feels moisturized after. Sometimes it does, and sometimes it feels like it isn't enough. I guess your skin needs different things at different times, so that's understandable. Like your skin isn't the same every day, so sometimes I guess my skin, sometimes I tried to, well, I can, sometimes it's successful, so I could use this alone after a few serums and it's fine, and then sometimes she's not fine. She's not, she's a little dry. I don't know. I didn't notice anything special about it either. Like with the moisturizer, like I felt like my skin was supple. Like if, like I said, any inflammation would go away. This, it was okay. I would use it if I got it again, but I don't think I would repurchase. And this is also the first oil I've used, so maybe this isn't the combination for me. Like I'm not against oils. Maybe this just isn't the one for me. Yeah, it was let's round it up to 0.3 ounces, and I have half left. And like I said, I've been using these products for 2 or 3 months, which is why the rest are empty. Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. It just says it's the ultimate hydrating radiance treatment. So I still have more products in here, but your girl loves that. I love this. Love. I don't have to use it too often, but when I do use it, this smells good. I'm not good at describing scents, but the consistency is thicker than the adaptogen moisturizer, and I don't know, it says that you can use it after a moisturizer, but I just, at nighttime, I just use it as like my last step, or I use this and then this. Not often because we see how much is left, but I did enjoy this. I would wake up the next day with my face feeling soft and very moisturized without being greasy at all. And like I said, I think I have drier skin, so maybe that's why these products work so well with me, because I'm sure I have seen reviews, especially on this, where people call this heavy and aware. I would repurchase this. I don't know the cost for the full 2 ounces, probably in the 50s, 58, 54, somewhere around there. If not, I guess I'll put the right price tag. But yeah. So, an overall review. Does it do what it says? I think so. Like I said, I would repurchase the cleanser, the adaptogen moisturizer, and the Superberry mask. I would definitely repurchase these. But since I am new to skincare, I'm going to try some other things and then see if I am led back here. But at least I know they're dependable and I can always rely on them. Or we'll see. Like I say, your skin needs different things at different times. But yeah, my overall review didn't cause any outbreaks, allergic reactions, or anything like that. But do your research to see the ingredient list. You know, I don't know. I don't have problematic skin, so I enjoyed everything. You know, it was a new experience. Would recommend. Definitely would recommend. Oh my god, my favorite thing. I loved that everything was in glass. Like, I felt so fancy. But yeah, used to the people, you get a thumbs up from me.